After 1 minute, keep your cooking time short as possible whenever you are cooking prawn, yeah?
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight I'm going to stir fry some prawn using my leftover bell pepper in the fridge. Yes, again I'm clearing my fridge like always. I have some red, green and also yellow bell pepper and some really nice and fresh prawns here. Of course, for the prawn, just remove the head, remove the shell. If you want to devein also can, not if you don't want, should be fine. So very quickly I'm going to marinate the prawn. Give it a bit of fine salt, a bit of white pepper, some cornstarch. You can add a bit of egg white if you want, yeah. Mix it up. Done. Alright, I put in some ginger slices and also garlic, minced garlic, and give it some oil. Let's heat it up. Right, once the garlic started to brown a little bit, we can actually put in the prawn, marinated prawn. Wow, very fragrant right now. Add in the bell pepper as well. Oops. I should have just added, shouldn't put in the cornstarch, should just added the egg white just now. It doesn't matter. Okay. Let me get some Shaoxing wine. Of course, for those who don't take alcohol, just use water. I'm going to add some water as well. A bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Oops. Bit of light soy sauce. Bit of salt. Few dashes of white pepper. Well, since I already put the cornstarch earlier, now I don't have to starch it anymore. I don't mind adding a bit more water here. It's quite starchy. Almost done. Just going to cover this for 1 minute, then it is done. After 1 minute, keep your cooking time short as possible whenever you are cooking prawn, yeah? Should not be less than 5 minutes actually. Okay, done. I'm just going to serve this. Alright, my very fast, very simple stir-fry prawn with bell pepper is ready. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.